Imagine taking our most cutting-edge tech, AI, and connecting it back to, well, an ancient idea of human potential.
It sounds almost counterintuitive, doesn't it?
It really does. So today we're diving into an essay that asks this exact profound question. Can AI be a kind of guide, a pedagogue, helping us revisit that Athenian ideal of the, quote, perfect person?
Interesting framing.
Yeah. Our mission here is to see how AI might act as a sort of compass, not just for, personal growth, mind, body, ethics.
The whole package.
Exactly.
Yeah.
But also for maybe reshaping our societies, drawing on that ancient Athenian wisdom.
And what's really key about that Athenian ideal is that it wasn't about some flawless superhero figure.
Right.
It was more about the complete citizen, someone who harmonized mental cultivation, physical fitness, and crucially, ethical integrity.
Someone active in a just society.
Precisely. An active, virtuous member. It feels surprisingly relevant today, not just some historical curiosity.
So we know that ancient maxim, know thyself. It's timeless. But given our modern world, all the distractions, what's genuinely new about AI's role here, according to the essay?
That's a great question.
It seems like it goes way beyond AI just being a productivity tool, right?
Absolutely. The essay really positions AI as a potential personalized educator of the soul. That's a powerful phrase.
It is.
It suggests moving past just delivering info to actually understanding your specific way of thinking, your cognitive biases.
Those mental shortcuts we all have.
Exactly, the ones that can lead us astray sometimes. So imagine a digital partner that gets your inclinations, spots those biases, and then suggests really personalized paths for learning, creativity, well-being.
Tailored just for you.
Right, and this makes self-improvement less abstract, more of a concrete daily thing, helping you kind of build your inner architecture, your own foundation of habits and self-awareness.
Okay, that's a compelling picture for the individual. But the Athenians, they didn't really see the individual separate from the polis, the city-state.
No, they were deeply intertwined.
So how does the essay suggest we scale this up? Take that individual growth and translate it to, well, fixing our collective systems.
That's the next big leap, isn't it? The essay argues that individual virtue needs the right environment to flourish. The polis encouraged excellence.
So we need to rebuild our societal structures too.
In parallel, yes, it asks, how do we shift our focus, move away from just sort of rigid mechanical processes?
Towards outcomes that are fundamentally human-centric.
Exactly. And AI, the essay proposes, could help us reevaluate everything. Education, work, maybe even how we govern. Making them more flexible, more participatory.
More focused on cultivating human potential in a holistic way.
That's the idea, moving beyond just pure efficiency.
And the essay paints a really ambitious picture for this societal shift, introducing this concept of a well-being economy.
Ah, yes. That's presented as the pinnacle, really.
What does that actually look like? How is it different?
Well, it's a fundamental rejection of just using GDP as our main measure of progress. It's saying more isn't always better. Okay? Instead, it pushes for a broader view. Success defined by health, education, environment, community strength, a whole range of factors.
That sounds incredibly complex to manage.
It is. Far too complex for humans alone, arguably. But this is where AI could come in, analyzing all that interconnected data.
To optimize policies for collective happiness, not just economic output.
Precisely. Optimizing for actual well-being. It's a huge potential shift.
A massive shift. Okay, let's go even deeper. The essay touches on perhaps the most internal challenge, integrating our perception with our expression. Connecting our inner world and outer actions.
Right, achieving that harmony between what we perceive and how we act.
What does the essay say is key to that?
It suggests that really understanding the mechanics of consciousness itself is the foundation, calling it maybe the last frontier of our knowledge.
Consciousness.
Oh.
Wow. And how could AI possibly help there? That seems like such a human domain.
It's fascinating. The idea is that AI could help us model the dynamics of our own minds. Maybe find patterns in our mental activity we can't see ourselves.
Offering us new kinds of maps for self-exploration.
Something like that, yes. Unprecedented tools to look inwards.
So pulling this all together, what's the main takeaway? The essay is clear. AI isn't some magic bullet, right?
Yeah.
No ready-made answers.
Definitely not. It frames AI more as a powerful catalyst, something that can speed up both that deep personal introspection and the larger social transformation.
But ultimately, it argues the journey back to that Athenian spirit. It's about values. Our choices, not just algorithms.
Absolutely. The tech is a tool. Its impact depends entirely on how we choose to use it.
Which leaves you, the listener, with a pretty big question.
Indeed. Will we use this incredibly powerful tool in ways that deepen alienation and division, or can we wield it wisely, use it to build bridges towards being more balanced, more conscious, more complete?
Drawing on that ancient wisdom but forging a new future, the responsibility the essay insists is ours.